Hello friends. In continuation with the previous videos to help students in their practicals, we thought of making a video on organic salt analysis given in Tamil Nadu State Board. Here we are going to show how can we analyze the organic salts faster. So these are the 10 organic salts that can be given. Glucose is a colorless solid. Urea is also a colorless solid. Okay. Whereas benzaldehyde is a colorless liquid. Cinnamaldehyde is pale yellow liquid. Acetophenone is a colorless liquid with a sweet orange smell. And benzophenone is a colorless solid. Benzoic acid is also a colorless solid. Cinnamic acid is also a colorless solid, and salicylic acid is also a colorless solid. Whereas aniline is dark pink liquid. Need not to do all the tests to find the functional groups. If we act smartly, even from the physical states, we can zero in on the compounds. For example, if your given compound is liquid, then it cannot be glucose or urea for certain, right? Because they are colorless solids. So it must be either aldehyde or amine or acetophenone. Fine. So the first thing what we are going to do is ignition test. Okay. The first thing what we are going to do is ignition test, and we take a pinch of salt in a nickel spatula and burn in. A sooty flame confirms the presence of aromatic compound. A non-sooty flame infers the presence of either urea or carbohydrate. While you do ignition test, if there is any sugar burning smell, then it should be carbohydrate that can be confirmed by ozone test. Okay, and if you get if there is no characteristic smell, then go for biuret test to confirm urea. Now the other option, yes, if you get sooty flame, then it should be an aromatic compound. So after that you can add a Borsch reagent. Borsch reagent is nothing but a 2,4 DNP test. DNP, we know this from theory part. 2,4 DNP is 2-dinitrophenylhydrazine. So the presence of yellow or orange precipitate confirms the presence of carbonyl compounds, that is either aldehyde or ketone. Okay, and if you get yellow or orange precipitate, then add tolerance reagent. Tolerance test will be answered only by aldehydes and not by ketones. So if there is no silver mirror, then directly go for Legal's test to confirm the presence of ketones. Yes, if you get silver mirror, then go for decolorization tests, like a decolorization of bromine water or decolorization of potassium permanganate. If there is decolorization, then your compound must be an unsaturated aldehyde. There is no decolorization, it should be a saturated aldehyde. Okay, fine. Now, if you don't get any characteristic precipitate when you add Borsch reagent, then you should go for sodium carbonate test. Brisk effervescence confirms the presence of acid group. Okay, acid group. And if you get brisk effervescence, then go for unsaturation test, like a decolorization of bromine water or decolorization of potassium permanganate. If there is decolorization, then it must be an unsaturated carboxylic acid. If there is no decolorization, then you should go for neutral ferrichloride test. And if formation of violet color confirms the presence of salicylic acid. If there is no violet color, then something has gone wrong. You need to check again. Okay, fine. While you add sodium carbonate, if there is no sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, whatever, if there is no brisk effervescence, then you can directly go for a dye test to confirm the presence of aniline. Okay. Hope this video would be useful for you guys. All the best for your board practicals.